Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Joelology. I know I haven't posted in a while, and I've done quite a few things to upgrade this pickup. So let's go ahead and break into it and let's see what we got going on, because today's episode should be pretty freaking cool. I've seen you guys, like a whole bunch of you guys have come in. I think I only had like 20 subscribers the last time I posted a video, and now I'm at like 66 and I haven't posted anything. So I feel kind of bad for you guys, but look at that, boom. That is what we got going on today. This is ripped out. That's ripped out. This is gone. So I'm sure you guys can kind of tell we're doing a few minor upgrades. But so right, I've got a dash light kit coming for this bad boy to give it some more pop. I have got a new radio that I will be, let's see if I can get that to focus. My bad, guys. We got a new radio that I am just going to end up cutting the wires there, and I'm going to run it into the glove box compartment, because I want to keep the authenticity of the radio looking cool, but I want it to have, you know, my Bluetooth, so I'm just going to stick it in the glove box instead and run it that way, because that way it'll keep, you know, make it look clean, and it'll be, you know, I'll still be able to have the Bluetooth functionality. I have new speakers for it. I'm just going to probably tear all this crap off because that's junk. All this is junk. The other side isn't bad, but I don't know what I'll do with that yet, but we'll figure it out as we go along. But for now, I was in the process of disconnecting all this crap right there, so let's go ahead and get back to it. All right guys, so we got it out. To get it out, there's like that little bracket right there that I'm pointing at, and it's a 7/16 bolt. I already unplugged the antenna wire. Gonna go ahead and cut all this, and I'm gonna get my voltmeter and find out which one is the hot and which one go to speaker wires. All right guys, so pretty much all you have to do to get this door panel off is take off your window deal, or your like window roller deal. A window crank, I guess is a more professional term. Take off your handle, and then you pretty much just stick your screwdriver in there and pop them out. It's nothing too crazy. But that said, boom, there we go. Wow, there's no speakers at all in this thing. I swore I heard the music. I thought I've heard music playing in this thing before. Maybe I am just retarded, or is there anywhere else that speakers could be? I don't know. I swore I've heard music in this thing before. So I do not know, guys, but I guess we're gonna have to run completely. Look at that, all that weather stripping is just destroyed off these windows. But with that being said, I guess we're just gonna have to run all new wire. So it's not a big deal, it's just a lot more work. So, I mean, ain't nothing to her but to do her, so we gotta figure out where we're gonna drill and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned, let's get to going. All right, y'all, so you can roast me in the comments, but this is what I did. There's like little pre-marked indentions right there in that door jamb. See if I can get it to focus, I don't know. There we go. There's some pre-marked stuff there. And there's a pre-marked one. Here, I'll go through the fender gap here. There's a pre-marked right here. Again, I don't know, there you go. Anyways, did that on both sides. Hey there, you looking sexy. Anyways, I did that on both sides, so now we're just gonna run some wire through them and see if we can't get going on starting this freaking radio. All right guys, so here's how they're looking right now. So right, we got them, our yellow wires in there, running up through our holes, just like so, going through behind the dash. They're gonna go over there to the glove box. So what we're using here for this little project here is just a dual. I bought it for literally $18. And it's Bluetooth. It's real short, so that's real cool. But I think I'm just gonna be able to sink some self-tappers into that. And the plan is to mount it into here like so, around in there somewhere, you know? So, like hideaway kind of deal. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So, we're gonna figure it out together. All right guys, so here's what we got. We got some Boss. Well, I don't remember what those are, 3.5s or something like that. I don't remember. I can go get the box. I'll tell you guys here in a second what those exactly are. But we got our radio wires right up here to where we're going to be mounting our stereo. I went ahead and checked the stereo over here. That one, what is it? The dual. It doesn't even freaking turn on. I don't remember where I put it. Probably, I don't know. Anyways, guys, we're going to use this method, but it's not even turning on. And I hooked it hot and negative straight to the battery, and it would not even turn on. So I don't know what the heck. I checked the fuse inside of there, it's no good. So I don't know if just the whole head unit itself is no good or what, but whatever. I don't know. the wife is on the way to go get a new one because we can. But anyways, we're going to be mounting it right up inside of here. Our wires are ran all the way up here. We just ended up using some freaking self-tappers in there after I massaged the metal around the things because they won't fit in there. The baskets are too big. So you have to kind of massage the metal around. Wow, you guys couldn't even see that. You have to massage the metal around the thing here to fit the aftermarket speakers. So it's really cool. We're getting ready to see if we can get this thing wired up here pretty quick. And man, oh, and I did order new lights for the cluster there. So they should be coming in blue, I believe. That'd be pretty cool. There's Poncho. Hi, Poncho. All right, guys, door panel reinstalled again. It looks pretty good. You can't even tell that speaker's in there, but you can just kind of see a hint of chrome in there, so that's pretty cool. I have to buy a whole nother door panel for that one because that one was busted when I bought the thing, and it was, you can see it's all just destroyed right there. So is this bed. This bed is garbage, but exhaust look good though, and so do my tires, and so does my engine. God, huge shout out to Bad Boys Customs for that 400. Oh my God, it looks so good. Oh, another thing is, I installed some light bars on this thing too. I want to actually replace, get a better bumper, but for now, you know, it works. I've got, you know, that one right there, and then this, the good one. I've got the big bastard right there, so everybody else can see what's up. Got my stickers, you know, the Piss on City stickers. I only hook up with big girls who swallow. And I've got my fuck you light. If you want to tailgate me, you can try it, but I wouldn't suggest it. So anyways, guys, the wife's still looking for a radio, so we're kind of at a pause, but overall we've made some progress today. We've got everything installed and ready to start hooking up the radio and seeing if we can get power, because that's another big deal. Is I don't know if I'm trying to find out if I can get power to up here. Well, guys, we didn't end up getting a stereo today. I don't know. We got one coming in for Wednesday, so I'll end up making a part 2 of this video. But with that being said, please, guys, if you like the video, if you like my personality or anything like that, leave a like. That's the most important thing you guys can do. Leave a like, hit the subscribe button if you guys are feeling like it, and I'll see you Wednesday on the next episode.